me step out. It's a little shady. Alrighty guys, so welcome to another video. Today we're going up to Hogback. We already have the trailer all loaded up. Well, not real loaded, just Frankenstein's in there. But I'm gonna be bringing the pit bike because I get to ride that around, and for the first time actually, and the wheeler. So we're gonna be bringing those two up, and for once in a while it's nice out. It's around 50 degrees ish, give or take. It's supposed to be 50 today, so you know, I'll take it. So I haven't been to the track all this year, so kind of happy. I know it's gonna be crappy anyways, but like still. Actually, maybe I think I went to the track. Actually, I think we rode in January. I don't know. So anyways, nice blue sky, sunny out. So let's get this day going. Alrighty, let's see if this thing fires up. We had the little charger on it. There we go. Just kind of stuff it back here. There we go. And then gotta get some straps for the pit bike. I had this camera, my new camera, charging, but I only charged a little bit. So guess I gotta charge it some more, I guess. Or I can just switch over to the trusty old GoPro that I used to film on all the time. But I don't know, that thing's shot. It's roached anyways. That GoPro, I'm probably gonna get the new one. But to be honest, I'm done spending money. Let's see if this thing actually starts. It's kind of cool. Get some gas in there. There we go. Like I said, it's not too warm, but you know, it's alright. Yeah, I think I already mentioned it before in the other video. I'm not getting a back fender because I'm probably gonna loop it anyways and break it off, so I'll just leave it the way it is. So okay, it died. Oh yeah. Okay, we're good. Electric start is so fun. I love it. Alright, we got everything in. Pit bike, Frankenstein, wheeler. Should be all set. I don't think I gotta strap it down. It's not like it's gonna hop out anywhere. You know, I have it in park, so I don't know. I might put that strap on there, but I think we're all set. And don't really need a gas can because I think everything's full, and I don't know how good the pit bike is on gas, but I'm gonna find out today. So, and I think the ATV is full, so I don't know. Not sure. Who cares? Only a few minutes down the road from a gas station, anyway. So, if you do happen to need gas, just ride down and pump some gas in, I guess. I will bring this 2-stroke gas just in case Frankenstein needs some, but most likely he won't. So I don't know. But other than that, I think we're good. 2 bikes in there. Just kind of think we're good. Alrighty. Well, I guess we're off. Let's go to the track. I don't know if I said who's coming or not, but Kyle's coming up. He's coming up with his pit bike, and make this turn. There's a car coming, and Austin's coming up too, and my dad is already up there because he had a meeting. So yeah, my dad's already up there, so that's why I'm taking the truck. He took my car. So yeah, it's gonna probably be a little sloppy, but you know, it is what it is. You know, you don't get to ride very much in the winter or spring, I guess. Kyle's calling me right now. like I said, it's obviously going to be pretty muddy, so no surprise there. So I was pretty much right on that. To be honest, I should probably check the air filter, knowing that what the oil was like when we drained it. I didn't show you guys what the oil was like, but it was like none in there. There's barely any oil in the damn thing. So yeah, I should probably check the air filter just to make sure, because that thing was probably freaking clapped and beat on, obviously, but like probably never changed like the oil. I think that it was black as it is. Maybe like half this cup came out of the engine. Maybe the whole thing, I don't know. Not a lot came out of it. So it's obviously a lot better than it was. So I'll end up checking the air filter eventually, but to be honest, that's really not much of my worries. I don't know. I can check it later. It's a pit bike, it will run. If it was running with like a little bit of oil, I'm pretty sure it would run with like a little bit kind of a dirty air filter. So I'm not worried about it. Alright, made it up on top of this hill. See if Kyle can make it up. Let's go this way. That's good. There you go.
Woo. I didn't think that was doable.
Yeah, did before.
Barely.
Barely. Alrighty, Kyle's gonna try and hit this thing right here, wheelie over this log right here. I told him to take this line right here, and it's not as like, you don't have to hit the log as hard. So maybe if you can do it. I don't know. There you go. You did it though. You got over it at least.
Yeah.
So that's the hard.
Might be able to get up it.
Yeah, that's the hard part though. That was the hard part down there.
Oh, this is awkward. This is a little awkward. Whew. That's a thorn bush.
Yeah. I got it good right here. Got it good by some thorns right there. Come on! There you go. You figured it out?
I did. What do we got here? We got the old 110. He's gonna fucking shred.
Yeah, that's a pretty close zoom, so I don't think it'll get too close to me.
No, it does. A little muddy.
sign me up for the hair scramble.
Doing the pit bike hair scramble there now, are we?
I got it.
You might want to get better suspension there, though.
I got it.
That thing looked like it was bottoming out a little bit.
I got it locked down.
Oh no, you're not that fat. It's not all the way. It's not all the way. Almost. Actually, just pushing down on it, you might bottom out.
Yeah.
You might.
Especially on jumps. It's just like, Oi!
Oh my god, I bet.
Alrighty, got everything all loaded up. I'm in my car right now. Obviously I switched my clothes because my other ones got pretty dirty. Turn the radio down. But yeah, we're going to the car wash right now to wash everything. So, you know, it's pretty fun. Alrighty, we're at the car wash right now. About to get these headers and Frankenstein all washed up. But yeah, it's, I don't know if you can really see it very well, but it's pretty caked with mud. Pretty caked. So, anyways, we're gonna get this all set up. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that and stop talking. Alrighty, and just like that, the pit bike's clean. Still some dirty spots too, like in the foot pegs and stuff, or the brake lever, whatever. But you know, you can never get them perfect at the car wash. You're gonna get so much time. Like we had like 12 minutes, and it's cleaner, obviously, but it's, you know, it's not perfect. There's still mud places and sticks everywhere. But you know, it's whatever. You can always wipe it down later, and when we get home, probably wipe it down. But tell you what, I may get a different seat, probably like the BBR tall seat or whatever, because first of all, I think when you sit in here, it kind of cradles you like right here, so that, and also it's not very soft. Like you think it's soft, but it's not that soft to begin with. But I don't know, fun thing. And then I'm not really digging like the look of the pipe either. The Yoshi pipe doesn't really look that cool. I like the Pro Circuit. I think that fits on it better. It makes it look better. It's just like $200 really for the whole thing. So I might just get the Pro Circuit one exhaust, and I just think it looks better than this thing. It looks kind of like a fart can, to be honest.
So you got a spark arrest. You got the screen in there, which doesn't allow you to put the muffler plug in. That's why the muffler plug.
Yeah.
Where is the muffler?
It's up in that thing right there. But yeah, that's that. I'm gonna put everything back up in the trailer.